Hi, my name is Stina Spiegelberg. I found my passion in working as a TV chef, coach and author, cooking and baking only with plant-based ingredients. The recipe I've created for the new Mini Kit Tarte Glam consists of a crust of chocolate at the bottom, then we have a filling of chocolate mousse, a chocolate ganache really shiny and creamy, and on top we have a tonka panna cotta filled with a berry jelly and all glazed with a shiny red coating. We are made to believe that baking is only possible with eggs and dairy. But if you try using plant-based ingredients, a whole new world opens up to you. Enjoy your creativity with these colors and have fun exploring. Vegano e meraviglioso!